How to access or share Geofence report in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. Access various reports by clicking on Reports. Select the Geofence report from the available options. Choose the desired date range for the report. View the top data, including average visit duration, the number of assets, total assets in the Geofence, visits, average idling per visit, average on-site distance, and average on-site stops. Check the bar graph for average visit duration by category. On the right side, find a graphical representation of the number of visits over time. Below, you'll see a list of geofences, along with their category, location, visits, assets, average visit duration, average idling per visit, average on-site distance, average on-site stops, and last modified date. Click on a geofence to access details about the assets within it. Here, you can access the Geofence specific details. At each step, you can easily share the report via email by clicking on the share icon at the top.